on the other hand, surveyed about 150 investors on what they think is going to be the outcome from the year's elections and also the possible market impact of that. Hormaz, tell us more about that as well. That is one big question on everybody's mind, actually.
Not on the investors' mind, I guess, because the 150 investors who were surveyed on the Nomura, from this Nomura survey, believe 99.3% of them believe that the BJP is going to win this election in 2024. And now within these surveyed participants, 83% believe that the BJP will be able to secure a majority on its own. If you further break that number down, now there is a bit of a divergent opinion on how many seats the BJP would win in this election by itself. There have been a lot of numbers that have been thrown at us over the last 24 hours, ranging anywhere from 290 to 310. Now, what the street believes is out of these 150 participants, 45% of them believe that it will be lesser than their 2019 tally of 303 seats, while 36% of them believe that it will be more than the 2019 tally. But the overall consensus is that the BJP would win 297 seats on its own, which is lesser than 2019, and the NDA together would win 344 seats, which is also slightly lesser than the 353 they won in 2019. Now, on the survey's impact on the economy, if the current establishment is voted back to power, the medium-term GDP growth, the participants see it anywhere between 7 to 8%. But if the India Alliance is voted back to power, they believe that economic growth, GDP growth might drop to 6.5%, and they also expect massive fiscal slippages in case the India Alliance is voted to power. Now, what they also say is that the market is factoring in an outright BJP win, and any other outcome besides that may be a negative surprise for the market, and this might trigger a BJP victory might trigger a short-term rally as well for the markets. Now, the sectors that may benefit if at all the current establishment is voted to power: infrastructure, capital goods, defense, sectors that the government has laid emphasis on pretty much so for the last 5 years, so they might be a beneficiary there. Now, what happens is, since the market is already factoring in a BJP win, if that happens, the index may see just a single-digit rally after the results. But if the BJP fails to secure an absolute majority, but the NDA government is in power, then there might be a correction of around 5%. But if the India Alliance is voted to power, an outcome that they see highly unlikely, but if that happens, the index may see a 20% correction similar to 2004. So a comprehensive survey there. The consensus is that the BJP would be winning this election. So all eyes now on the 1st and the 4th of June.
Okay, well, thanks a lot for that.